Welcome everyone to Planet Papas. Today we are going to be walking down Chaweng Beach to see how busy it is, and today is hot. And tonight we'll be heading out to the full moon party, and it's going to be hot but beautiful. So, you, me, let's go! We're going to be traveling to and starting from the Yak Bar. I'm going to stay here today and rest, relax, because tonight is one long night at the full moon party in Koh Samui. And while we're heading to the beach, just want to make a few announcements that peak season is still here. So I still have to do a lot of work of doing the hotels, bars, clubs to show you more different things to hear on Samui. Today we're going to take a beach walk, and tonight obviously is the full moon party. And I do have a new video coming out in a couple days, still working on it, which is which beach is better, Lamai Beach or Chaweng Beach. Now that is going to be a great video to watch. And as we go through the Yak Bar in the early afternoon, I'll just show you how beautiful it is. Just going to show you the water part of it. There's the beautiful arc. You do have to come here at nighttime. It looks very beautiful. I know you don't like the doof music, but just coming here just to watch the fire show, or even just to see what it looks like at night, it's worth the walk. All the umbrellas are up today. So let's do an overlook of the whole beach today. Chaweng almost looking back to normal. So now we are passing Chaweng Garden Resort. Always busy. Look, oh, the water is very warm. It's like a little bath water going on here. Nice room temperature, very easy to get in. Oh, there's the spring roll guy. My brother, how are you? Sadikab? We found the other one. And we're gonna find the original one. So we find the gangster. Sorry, we found the imposter. Now we gotta find the original gangster. And I promise you, in low season, I'm gonna get both of those two guys together, and I'm gonna get a Thai interpreter, and we're gonna have a chat. As we're passing the Ban Chaweng Hotel. We're in the new front of Ban Chaweng. They rebuilt a whole different area. Let's go have a look at it. Now we're in the middle of this new Thai restaurant. They redid a bit of the tables. The tables are nice and shiny now. And beautiful beach area. Okay, going into this, they said these are sea urchins, but they're not calling them jellyfish. And they're all in the water today. So those of you who have never been to Samui before, or even on Chaweng Beach, The area I'm showing you now is the most popular area here, even on Samui, and part of this beach of Chaweng. So you're going to be going to the 4 or 5 restaurants and 4 or 5 hotels that we're showing you that are the most popular and very hard to get into. So make sure you book well in advance. Now we're coming up to the Evergreen. The Evergreen is a cheaper accommodations, but they made the front part beautiful. They put a great new bar in here, and the and the drinks are cheap as well. They do have cocktail specials every day on the beach, 99 baht. And they just redesigned this place to look great, and the accommodations are affordable. Really good prices. As you can see, happy hour is 99 baht. And one of the most popular bars here on the island, been here for many, many years, is Lip Smackers. They always had special beer prices and cocktails. As we pass by Al's Resort, I found out these are called blue button jellyfish. Now they don't sting like normal jellyfish, but they can irritate the skin. And apparently they're not dangerous in any way, but don't play with them and just stay away from them. The attack of the blue circles. Passing by Al's Resort. Okay, Mazzano has brought some new tables out. Got some tables, some chairs. Is it Mazzano? What is this? It is Mazzano. They took down the sign. Alright. We're in the backyard of Chaweng Buri Resort, and they do have a special going on at the moment for 2,000 baht per night. So that's around 55 euros a night. And you're right in the middle of Chaweng Beach, so that's very good. It's called Chaweng Buri Resort. These guys are just relaxing, waiting for some business. So while walking, we'll just talk about the temperatures. Now and this month and next month will be the hottest months in Samui. So if you want to travel and you love the heat, you come now until the end of April. If you like rainy season, it's November. So around November, end of October, all of November, mid-December is the rainy season. It rained a bit this year, not too crazy, but in certain years, November could rain for 10 days straight. So November is not the greatest time if you want to see the rain. Well, if you love the rain, you can come. The best time ever is after Christmas till now. Usually January, February are your peak season days. And it was windy this month, the last couple months, which is unusual, but usually it's really nice. And now we're going into the heat wave part of it. So every day will be at least feeling like 34 with lots of humidity. As we pass by the Moon Dance restaurant and heading toward the library. And I'm saying all these names and you can see these places on my other videos. So I've done a lot of videos on the hotels themselves. So if you want to see inside the library, there's a video for that. And most of these places have been done. We're heading up to the King's Garden. Always busy. Good prices as well. But they do not have a pool yet. So they're hopefully working on that. Get your nice backyard to swim in the pool. And the red flags are up saying not to swim. As we come in front of Shaba, and Shaba changed their name, they are called Matcha now. They haven't changed all the signs yet, but they painted it up, did a little bit of renovations, and now it's called Matcha. There we go. 3 lounge chairs, just buy a drink. The drinks start from 99 baht, which is around 2.2 euros. And then going right beside that is the monkey bar. The sunbeds are 100 baht a day, fully lie down. You got to pay 100 baht and then plus your drink. But next door is Lost, which is free sunbeds. And all you got to do is buy your drink. So it's up to you which one you like to do. Sadika. Well, you know it's good weather when the Ozo sign is out on the beach. So now we're in front of Ozo Hotel. I won't go through their backyard because it's very busy there. There's the sign. It's a good sign when you see the ozone sign. Here we are at Buri. We're going past KT Beach. Not so crazy. I think if you like to have your own pool area when it's a little less than high season, you book KTC. Sorry, you book KC Beach because there's hardly anyone around the pool. They do have two pools, one which is in the front and one near the rooms at the back, so it's a very big place. That's KC Club. KC Beach Club. There you go, I just read something, so it says they have a pool day pass for one water, a beverage, a towel, and swimming pool and 5 free Wi-Fi for 100 baht. So 500 baht gets you all that, a water, beverage, a towel. So if you're not prepared to come to the beach, they prepare you. Now here they have started the construction. And I'm not sure what they're going to be calling it yet, but we're going to find out soon.
Welcome everyone to Planet Papas. We're from Cape Town, South Africa.
And you should really come to Koh Samui. You will not regret this. This is amazing. This place is completely the best. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, there's a hotel that's being done. We're trying to figure out the name. It does have a different name, but is owned by Loved. And it's going to be done very shortly. And I think it looks like it's called Indowasa, but I don't know. Indowasika. But it is part of Loved, which is right beside them. So it's going to be like a villas type. And it said it's the same owner. So that's cool to know. We'll know a lot more when they put stairs there for us as well. It's almost finished. And as we pass by Loved, a great place if you're staying here, if you're under 35. Good times. They got a lot of bar crawls every Thursday. And just a relaxing place during the day. It's good to come here during the day because everybody's sleeping. So you can have the sunbeds all day until maybe 3. And right beside it is the Elephant. Another cool kids place to be. They have really a lot of stuff that's happening on the weekends. DJs. Really loud music that goes on. A lot of fun. And now we're in front of Love Island. They're doing a fire show every night at 7:30 till late. It is getting busier and busier. Everybody's starting to notice this place. I'll be doing a hotel review of this next month when everything calms down. But it's a really nice little area if you love your Love Island. And I did mention before, Love Island made Love Island Iceland on Chaweng Beach, which is the next beach down. So if you look out for that, you'll see a beautiful beach. That was filmed here on Koh Samui. And now we're coming back to the original Ark Bar where we're staying for today. And they're still doing renovations here. There'll be more things happening here on the Ark Bar. They expanded quite a bit here. Wow, it's gonna be huge. And so because it's so hot and I want to go back enjoy my coconuts, because tonight, as I said before, I'm going to be going to the full moon party. Got to save the energy. There's a new character on board that's going to be there for the full moon party, so don't you dare miss it. And that's going to do it on this glorious day. So thank you for joining me here today on Planet Papas. We'll see you tomorrow. So don't forget to like, subscribe. The faces are changing. So see you soon. And take care for now.